Hi there, today we're going to show you how to use the Pro Bike Tool chain tool. Firstly, we'll introduce the key parts of the tool. So you have the push pin in the centre here, the cradle and the handle. When you need to split a chain, firstly you use some master link pliers such as these to remove the chain from the bike. You then measure the chain so that you ascertain exactly how many links you have and how many you need to remove. When you've measured the chain and you know exactly which link that you need to remove, you set up the tool by unwinding the pin, which you do by simply rotating the handle like this. You put the chain into the tool, pushing the chain firmly into the cradle until it fits snugly. Ensure that the chain is in the cradle at the correct link that you wish to split. When you have the chain in the correct place, you rotate the handle of the tool so that the pin pushes up against the rivet of the chain. You're now ready to break the chain. To do this, you slowly but firmly rotate the handle of the tool like this. Initially, this will be quite stiff. If you keep applying force slowly but gently, eventually you'll push the rivet out and the chain will split. Just keep on rotating the handle until you push the rivet all the way through, like so. Now that the rivet has been pushed out of the chain will be split, and you simply need to unscrew the handle of the tool, which releases the pin out of the chain. You can now discard the excess links from the chain, and you'll have your resized chain ready to fit back onto your bike. You simply need to install the chain back onto the bike using a master link, and you can use our master link pliers to reconnect the chain. So there we go, that's how to use a Pro Bike Tool chain tool.